Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And having a good power strip is essential, but why not also make it cute?
So, not only is this purple and beautiful, but highly functional, Beaker has made this 10-in-1 power strip that has so much to offer. I love that you have the option to hang it on the wall because that's exactly what I did, and it fits perfect in my PC space. I love the 45-degree flat plug and all of the things that this has: surge protecting, overload protecting, fireproof material, but four USB and two USB-C ports, as well as four AC outlets, makes this such a great power strip to have. I can do fast charging as well as have all of my regular things plugged in and ready to go. I just think it's perfect.
I love this power strip. It has everything you need and then some. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.